Go start it up and give it to Beans.
Took a rod right to the moon.
To the moon like a Dogecoin at 5 cents. Let's hear it. Do some donuts. Whip some shitties. I mean, beep. Oh, damn. This is what we got tuned? Oh, snap. Listen to that.
We got some free stickers.
I don't even hear that.
I think they didn't lock it. Because she don't unlock.
Smells good in here.
Oh. Keywords don't work.
You didn't tell me to hook up the nitrous?
Sounds the same. Go figure. Are you gonna hop in?
They took the turbo off?
Yeah.
We'll be right back. Why didn't it take you long to kill it? That's what he was talking about. Not a big deal. Idle air control valve.
They all come.
I feel that boost. Oh, I'm trying to hit
in the middle.
I'm not fancy. I was trying to hit the blank. Take her for a rip before we put her on the trailer.
What do you say, 42 or 52?
52.
She's not warm. You boost them when she's cold and it just blows it up right away. We're selling vacuum, dog.
Sounds so good though. You heard it? That flutter.
Need alignment. You know anyone that could do that? Oh, me. I haven't drove this car in what? 5 months? 4 months?
Something like that. The winter, basically.
So a new map, I'll get like 1,000 more RPMs out of it.
Yeah.
What am I at? 14.7? She goes at? That's like on the dot.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at that. I don't know if they can see that because it's LED, but
Oh, it might, yeah.
she's cruising at a good 14.7. Stoic.
Yeah.
Stoic. Alright, we warm. I didn't take long at all to get warmed up.
I guess we'll go to the corner, huh? Or was that far away?
That was like 2 miles, I think.
We'll turn around here. It sounds good.
Sounds real good.
Vibrant, sponsor us.
Yes, send us stuff. Well, you'll probably do keychains because you'll be like, we don't know you guys. You guys got like 8 followers. I'm just kidding. We love all of our followers. I think we're up to like 360 now, I think. So, let's see what. Oh,
My seat clicked in.
oh, is that your seat? I was like. Dude!
Where should the AFRs be at?
Wide open throttle?
Yeah.
I don't know. 10.5?
Yeah, exactly where it was.
Yeah?
Yeah, I wasn't.
So, okay, so 10.5 means it's safe, means it's reliable.
I wasn't like fully like wide open. Yeah, definitely as soon as you get to like.
Dude, that thing hits boost so fast.
feels now.
Yeah, it does. Like, it felt okay before, but
Yeah.
you still got that super punchiness of that inline six. I mean, it's only a 2.5, right?
Yeah.
So it's only a 2.5, but with this thing hits boost so fast. We got to fix the idler control valve. It likes to cut off. They said it's sticking, so
Which they all do.
We'll get that fixed, and but holy cow, this is a fun car. Super fun. And the way it builds boost and the way it drives, it's still going to be a great autocross car. It'll be a great track car in general. It's just going to be a good all-around vehicle. So
the first number was like 600-ish, so I'm happy with that. Did we tell them how much it was making? I don't know.
6 horsepower. Yeah.
She has her classic rattles, I can remember.
Cool. Let's get her loaded on the trailer, and then we'll get home. All loaded up. So Austin, clean the idler control valve, new mass airflow.
And new tune. But it still rips.
I think he said you won't need a tune. Just put the new math in. I don't know. We'll have to contact him.
I think it'll be a new tune.
But either way, yes, I agree. It does rip. So look forward to some more content. It's nice weather out. We got some good stuff coming. And now that we got this place, we know it's a 2-hour drive for us, but probably be bringing the Z here. Sorry about the sun there. Probably bringing the Z here and some other cars, making some big power, boys. It's on the way, it's coming. So, like to, you know, and tell them to like, comment, subscribe.
And hit the bell, ding-a-ding-ding.
And comment, you know, if you like it, don't like it, let us know. Let us know what we're doing. So, we're back, boys. We're back.